What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you guys had some good holidays and are looking forward to the 2024 year. Starting off 2024, many of us have many New Year's resolutions, which some of those include losing some weight. So today I have three recipes that will help you lose weight this 2024 year. These are guaranteed results to help you lose weight very quickly. Side note, I am not a doctor. None of these facts have been proven by the medical industry. Let's start off with number one. Our first recipe is a smoothie. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of water and 1 cup of ice inside of your preferred blender. Very healthy, very nutritious, about 0 calories per serving. Okay, nice consistency here. Let's give it a taste test. Very refreshing, very delicious. 10 out of 10 I would recommend. 0 calories, 0 sugars, pure goodness. The next recipe we have is soup. So for this recipe you're going to need 1 cup, measuring cup, and then your pot. So we're going to start off by getting our ingredients. Whoops. Let's make it 2 cups. Whoops. 2 cups of cubed ice and then 2 cups of water. 1 cup. This will serve 2 servings and a total of 0 calories, 0 sugars, 0 carbohydrates, and 100% nutrients. You're gonna bring your heat to a medium level, and it's gonna be cooking for about like 5 to 10 minutes. You want the soup to really get boiled so that way it releases all the nutrients in the ice. It's been about 5 minutes and our soup smells delicious. Let's turn this off, give it a little stir, and then make sure to give it a little bit of a taste test. Hot, but it's good, very good. Highly recommend this healthy soup here. This is going to be our final recipe. We're going to make a salad, so make sure you have your tongs to toss the salad around. Grab a bowl. We're going to start off by filling the bowl with ice cubes. Okay, so here we have our salad ready to go. Get your tongs and just give it a little mix. And that's it. That's all you need. And here we go. Let's see. Very healthy, very delicious. This salad is 100% sugar-free, carb-free, and calorie-free. 100% nutrients, and will 100% give you weight loss guarantee. Not proven by the medical industry. One of my goals is to lose weight this year, so hopefully you guys can join me in the journey. That's been 3 easy recipes for weight loss in 2024. Let me know down in the comments what you think about those recipes. Try them out at your house. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. I noticed that about 90% of you guys that watch the videos aren't subscribed. Please subscribe, it's free. I really appreciate it. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers, hopefully by the end of this month. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.